Hello dear students. So these subjects vehicle dynamics objective we cover two chapter 1 performance of vehicle dynamics and the aerodynamics based question. This is very useful for your mid-sem exam. So here first question, vehicle dynamics subject deals with the motion with the force study. Okay, whenever we consider the dynamics, motion and also force consideration is required. So motion with the force study in the vehicle dynamics. Second question, lump mass is considered for, obviously entire vehicle has a one unit. Okay, we consider the entire vehicle as a one unit and it is called the lump mass. Now which one moment is considered about the longitudinal axis of the vehicle? Obviously rolling motion is considered about the longitudinal axis of the vehicle. Okay, so third question, right answer is your roll. Now fourth question, which one moment is moment about the vertical axis of the vehicle? So whenever we consider the moment about the vertical axis, it is called yawing moment. So right answer your B, yawing. Now correct sequence of rotation for Euler angle. Euler angle means the relationship between earth fixed coordinate system and vehicle fixed coordinate system. So we have to convert the vehicle fixed coordinate system into the earth fixed coordinate system by rotation of particular sequence. So this sequence is very important. So first yaw, then pitch, then roll. So right answer here is C. Okay, yaw, pitch and roll is your right answer. Okay, correct sequence of rotation for Euler angle. Now angle between the vehicle velocity vector and forward travel of the vehicle x is represented by, obviously, coarse angle. Okay, mu, it is represented by mu. Right answer is your A, coarse angle. Angle between the vehicle velocity vector and the forward travel of the vehicle, capital X. Okay, it is that angle is called coarse angle. So right answer is your A. Now as per Newton's second law of motion for translation system, okay, please remember this translation system. So sigma fx equal to m into ax is your right answer, B. Okay, here you can see in the option first is your A is for rotation motion system, but here given in the translation motion and the other option is wrong. So B is your correct answer. Okay, now each point is the point where the, obviously each point at the rear end of the vehicle is towing the trailer. It is used for the towing the trailer. Okay, we generally consider for dynamic axle loading consideration. So each point is the point where the vehicle is towing a trailer. Next question, 9th number. In dynamic axle load equation during the static load on the level ground, please remember static load on the level ground, which one is the incorrect in the following? Obviously whenever the static, there is no dynamic consideration, so aerodynamic force dA equal to 0, acceleration ax equal to 0, and the level ground means there are no any plane. Okay, so gradability theta equal to 0. Okay, and weight of the vehicle W equal to 0. Okay, so incorrect is your D. Okay, D is your incorrect, ABC is your right. Okay, so in this question incorrect, so D is your right answer. Weight of the vehicle W equal to 0. Okay, the common grade on the interstate highway are limited to 4 persons whenever possible. Okay, so generally we consider the interstate highway grade 4 persons. Okay, please remember A is your right answer. Now earth fixed coordinate system coordinate are represented by capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Okay, please remember this, capital X, capital Y and capital Z is your coordinate for the earth fixed coordinate system. Small x, y, z is generally used vehicle fixed coordinate system, and PQR is used for the translation motion in the vehicle fixed coordinate system. So it is not right answer. ABC is not anywhere used in the consideration. So right answer is your B, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Bernoulli's equation for automotive aerodynamics. Okay, as we learn in the aerodynamic, the static pressure and dynamic pressure summation must be equal to total pressure. So right answer is your A. Okay, as per Bernoulli's equation, static pressure and dynamic pressure summation is equal to total pressure. A bundle of streamline form a stream tube. Okay, number of streamline where we connected and make a bundle. Okay, so it's get the stream tube. Okay, other answer, stream pipe is not anywhere used, steam vane and steam couple is not used. So bundle of streamline form a stream tube. Right answer is C. Khaligia tests are used to measure the velocity around and force or pressure upon vehicle by smoke stream use. Obviously, testing of vehicle for aerodynamic purpose we use the wind tunnel test. Okay, please remember the blank tests are used to measure the velocity around and the force or pressure upon the vehicle by smoke stream use wind tunnel. In the wind tunnel we make a model of particular car and the stream pressure and smoke pressure measure at different level. So wind tunnel is your testing for aerodynamic purpose. Please remember these things. Now question number 15. For understanding the action of the boundary layer phenomena, we generally use the sharp edge body use. Okay, you already learned this thing in the fluid mechanics. Boundary layer phenomena we use the sharp edge body use. So right answer is your A, sharp edge body use. The point where the flow stop is known as a separation point. Okay, separation point is important for the aerodynamic consideration and flow consideration. So point where the flow stop is known as a separation point. जहाँ पे फ्लो स्टॉप होता है उसको हम सेपरेशन पॉइंट बोलेंगे. At which place high pressure is created due to flow turn upward? Obviously near the base of the windshield and the cowl. Okay, so whenever the flow coming to the forward and then it is going to the upward due to windshield. Okay, so near the base of the windshield high pressure is created. Okay, we already learned in these things in the lecture, pressure along the body. Okay, in the question of pressure along the body we learned these things. So maximum pressure near the base of the windshield and cowl. Okay, remember these things. Okay, right answer your A. Now following is the main sources of the drag. Okay, so drag component, which one is the drag component? So forebody is also generated drag, after body is also generated drag, underbody is also generated drag. Okay, so all of the above is right answer. Okay, for drag generation. So drag is the force parallel to vehicle. When we consider the parallel to longitudinal axis, drag is created. Okay, due to the pressure difference between the front and rear side of the vehicle. So these are all the components for generated the drag. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, be prepared for your mid-sem exam, 10 marks objective question and 20 marks 2 marks question. Okay, be prepared for that.